Okay, so hello viewers. So how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. So today we will start another spoken English class. So they are my students, and I am likely to start a conversation with them. Okay. So how are you, all of you? You are fine. Okay, so that's great. So today I am going to start a conversation class with you. So are you ready? Jayanto, are you getting nervous? No, no, yes. Obviously, you should not get nervous. Okay, it's a spoken class. So, today in this class, very short class it will be. So, I will just ask you, I will tell you some Bengali sentences and phrases or expressions, whatever it may be. But you have to translate those Bengali expressions into English. You have to do this thing. Okay, very easy, very simple task, I think. So first of all, you what's your name? Orgavat. Acha, take the mic and say. Please take the mic. What's your name? Tell.
Orgabatru.
Yes. So can you tell me how should you say choriye to daat fele debo? So how can you say this sentence into English?
I will slap off on your teeth.
Say just keep the mic in front of your mouth. I will slap off your teeth.
I will slap off your teeth.
Very good, exactly. Now, next one, Kakon. So, I am going to Kakon. So, can you please tell me, ধরো আমরা বলি না বাংলায় যে খুবই ঝামেলার বিষয় বিতর্কের বিষয় যেমন ধরো কাশ্মীর হচ্ছে ইন্ডিয়া পাকিস্তানের মধ্যে একটা বিতর্কের বিষয় সো হাউ ক্যান ইউ সে দিস সেন্টেন্স ইনটু ইংলিশ সে
Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pakistan.
Exactly, she has told the right answer. So Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pakistan. Okay. So next one, Toma. What's your name? Toma, I think. Okay. So please tell something. Just keep your mouth, keep the mic in front of your mouth, and tell me, ki kando. You tell.
What a miss.
Once again.
What is miss?
What a
Miss.
very good. What a mess. You say what she said.
What a miss.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now next another one that is sometimes we say suppose Jayanto or Shubodip they are so lazy খুবই অলস তারা কিন্তু তারা স্বপ্ন দেখে একদিন টাটা বিল্লার মতো অনেক বড় লোক হবে তখন আমরা কি বলতে পারি যে তারা আকাশ কুসুম স্বপ্ন দেখছে শুভদীপ আর জয়ন্ত আকাশ কুসুম স্বপ্ন দেখছে so how can you translate this sentence into English now Jayanto will say okay so please keep the mobile camera to him.
You are making castles in the air.
Very good, absolutely correct. Keep the mic. So Jayanto has told absolutely correct answer. They are making castles in the air. It means that তার আকাশ কুসুম স্বপ্ন দেখছে ওকে ওকে সো দ্য ফাইনাল কোশ্চেন অফ দিস সেশন দ্যাট ইজ কাউকে উত্তম মধ্যম মারা ওকে আমরা বলি না যে চোরটিকে ধরে লোকজন উত্তম মধ্যম মার দিয়েছে সো হু ক্যান সে দিস সেন্টেন্স ইনটু ইংলিশ হু ক্যান সে রেজ ইউর হ্যান্ডস হু ক্যান সে রেজ ইউর হ্যান্ডস ওকে ইউ টেল
The people beats.
the people beat
The people beat this the thief black and blue.
Okay, thank you. So some rectification is needed. People beat the thief black and blue. So black and blue means কাউকে উত্তম মধ্যম মারধর দেওয়া. Actually you are getting nervous. This is the first time, so that's why my students are getting nervous. But actually they speak well and they know the grammatical rules as well. Okay, so thank you. And today this class is up to this. Okay, so thank you for participating in this short class, conversation class. Okay, so best of luck. Thank you.